guys, welcome to Pop Live with me, Neeti Taylor. There's a very famous saying, don't get so busy making a life that you forget to make a life. Sounds familiar, right? And a lot of you will agree with me. So this is what I'm going to talk about, balancing your work and your personal time. So chalo, let's talk about it. Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. And just praying and hoping that the lockdown ends really soon. But I know a lot of offices, a lot of shops, a lot of workplaces have started to open. So, for like few months, everything was shut. So now suddenly going back to work, there'll be a lot of pressure. A lot of people have been working even from home. So a lot of deadlines. There are a lot of things that keep going on. So I'm just going to talk about how to maintain your professional life and your personal life, because I have been through it too. When you're shooting, there is just so much to do, and it's so stressful. You don't have time for yourself. But a lot of people keep asking me, how am I so positive? How do I keep having, why am I always smiling? You're so cool, you're never stressed. But of course, everybody's always stressed somewhere or the other, but I never let anyone know. And I'm quite positive about the way I think. And staying positive is because I take time out for myself. So even when I'm working, I make sure I have time for my personal self. So even when I'm acting, a lot of people ask me, like, I'm crying, and suddenly, I stop crying. And I'm like, Neeti Taylor that I am. And they're like, how did you do that? I was like, because I'm a switch on, switch off button. So when I'm crying, a lot of people ask me, as soon as the director says cut, and here I am, I'm like normal, I've stopped crying, I'm out of the scene. How do I do that? That is inbuilt, because I can't keep carrying the character even after the director says cut, because that's it. That was my character right then and there, and that's about it. I can't carry it forward, because that's not me. I need to be myself. Otherwise, if I'm in the entire zone and mood, yes, sometimes you need it. Yes, everybody is a different actor, and the way they do their process is different. So my thing is a switch on, switch off, and I have always been like that. And a lot of people question me like, oh god, she's not serious about her work. But that is me. When I'm in my character, that's only when the director says action. When he cuts, that's about it. I'm not the character anymore. I'm Neeti, myself. So yes, staying positive, taking out time for yourself is a must, because working, there are so many things in your mind. Sometimes you don't get to sleep, you don't get to eat, you forget eating, you forget so many things. And that self-satisfaction ki, okay, chalo, now let me go out with my friends, or let me take out some time, let me cook, let me de-stress myself. वो होता ही नहीं है, because time ही नहीं मिलता है. But I feel कि आप लोगों को time निकालना पड़ेगा. You need to be very flexible. Yes, you have the entire day. A lot of people also do that, like divide ki, chalo 4 hours I'll do this work, 4 hours I'll complete this assignment, 4 hours I'll spend at home with family. No, I think even if you have those 3 hours, you need to be very flexible where you can do a lot of things. That's what I feel. It's very necessary. So how I de-stress when I am at work, when I'm working, sometimes you shoot for like 17 hours, 18 hours, but and I also stay alone, so it becomes quite stressful. My stress is sabziyan kharidni hai, groceries kharidni hai. How do I manage if I am shooting late, and if my call time is late, I have to call the maid. All these small things also. I know compared to a lot of people, they're nothing, but these small things also add a lot of stress. And फिर सुबह उठ के शूट पे जाना है, you have to make your own breakfast, you have to गरम करो your खाना, you have to wake up on time, and you have to make sure that you're not late, because we are not allowed to be late. You can't do that. And I am not someone who, I'll get up half an hour early, but I will never be late. So driver time pe aaya to check on him. There's just a lot that goes on. And I have a habit also that I forget a lot of things. I have to write. I have a notepad, and I have to keep writing the things that I remember, because otherwise I keep getting very stressed. So I think one thing you can do, if you remember a lot of things, keep a small notebook next to you and keep writing. I think that helps a lot. And also, if my shoot ends early or something like that, I go meet my friends. Now my friends, a lot of people ask me, why don't I have a lot of industry friends? Because for me, I'm talking for myself. For me, it's like I'm going to meet the same people who talk about the same things. I don't want to talk about how my day went with acting, how my shots were, अरे ऐसे angle करना चाहिए. I can't talk all these things. And you know वो बातें वहीं से शुरू हो जाती है. So अरे serial कैसे चल रहा है, TRP क्या आ रही है. All this I don't want to talk about it. I want to be free. I want to be me, and I want to talk about other things. I want to know other things. So I think that is like one thing. That's why I do not have and most industry friends. Like I have, but I don't hang out with them. I think that's the right word to say. Do not hang out with them. I'm just like in my own zone with my own friends, and I meet them, and I make sure I go for movies. I make sure even if I can't go for movies, during my lunch break I'm watching something, because you need to divert your mind. Otherwise stress, yes. And also recently I have seen a lot of, I've met few bloggers, and I'm kind of like very shocked that their life revolves around Instagram or around making videos and all of that. It's really good to do, you know, such things. It's really good to focus on what you want. I feel it's really good. But also, it can't be focus mat karo that you forget to live your life. I think that is very, very important, because I've seen them, and I literally asked one of them, I'm like, when you go, like for a holiday or something, you know, or for a wedding, or, you know, like, they're like, yeah, we're always blogging. I'm like, but if you're going with a friend, don't you want to spend time? Like, you'll keep holding your phone and recording yourself. Like how do you enjoy? Like, even when I'm with my family, we're eating dinner, we're not allowed to touch our phones. When we're out somewhere on holidays, just pictures and not too many things. Like, I also get irritated, like, "Ye kya yaar, don't be on your phone," you know? So I think it's just, I see a lot of people, yes, you do what you love, and I'm glad, but I also somewhere feel that you should take out some personal time for yourself, because I've seen them throughout the entire day, they just on their phone, they wake up, they work out, how they look when they wake up, they're brushing up their teeth. I've literally seen all of that. Then during the day, when are they taking out time for themselves? When are they alone? I think that also can cause a lot of stress, and you know, a lot of different things can happen, because when you don't take a time for yourself, you don't know what is really happening. Are you spending time with your friends? Are you spending time with your family? Or you just on your phone taking? I'm just talking about like few experiences that I have seen. I'm sure everybody is going through something else. Yes, it's really good to focus on what you love, but I also feel like you should take out a little time for yourself, and you can do that by watching movies, spending time with your friends or family, going for, you know, everybody needs a teeny weeny vacation, so you can just go for like a 2-day thing and just de-stress and just relax. I'm telling you, I love going to places where there is no Wi-Fi, and even if there are lots of places where I don't buy SIM cards. I do not, because I do not want to be on my phone. What's the point of going for a holiday when you're just on your phone? I just feel that. And even those 2 days, a lot of people, I remember I went for a holiday, like for a small vacay with a friend, and what, you know, like she was carrying her laptop and she was doing her work, and I was like, "It's chutti pe hai. Why are you carrying your laptop? You know, this is just your time to relax." I'm sure for 2 days no one's gonna, you know, mind. I'm sure you can tell them I'm not taking, there's no service. Literally, I never buy a SIM card. Everybody around me buys a SIM card. I never. जो Wi-Fi मिलता है hotel में and malls में, I think I'm happy with that, but nothing more than that, because it's really important to be with yourself also. And I think now that you know, the lockdown has happened, a lot of people have actually started spending time with themselves, but there are also a lot of people who are working from home, and they wake up and they're like, "Oh god, ye karna hai, wo karna hai, ye karna hai, khana hai." Like one of my like very close friend of mine, like I asked her, "Aaj mere liye video bana degi?" She's like, "हाँ ठीक है." She said that to me. She's like, "Yeah, I'll do it on Saturday," you know, and then that's about it. She didn't make the video, and I was like, "You tell me." She's like, "Time ही नहीं मिल रहा नीति. What do I do? Even when I, you know, wake up, have a bath only at 1 a.m. and all of that." I was like, "यार ये क्या है? Take out time for yourself. Make a schedule." Like, I know for a fact Okay, so I have this thing, okay, I'm going to tell you my secrets. But when I have these meetings and all, I make sure my meetings are done before 4 o'clock. If everybody who knows me, work-wise, personally calls me for meetings, I do not do anything after 5. I do not know why, but I don't like working, like going for meetings. I think my lucky time, that's what I tell myself, is before 4. And I like to finish it off that evening I have with me. Though even the entire day, there are days where I'm not doing anything. Though the entire day I have with myself, but still I make sure कि 4 बजे से पहले जो काम करना है मेरे को मैं कर लेती हूँ ताकि my evening is free and I can plan my evening. I think this is, these are the small things I do and I divert my mind. Also, cooking recently I started, so that's a big stress buster. And whatever you guys like doing, like get a hobby or just play music, you might just feel like just take out like 10 minutes for yourself. I think that's not a lot to ask. 10 minutes din ke, I think you can take for yourself and just breathe and relax. Even while having showers, I know a lot of people are stressed because that is their thinking place. Like that's my thinking place for me. I know, like, again a secret about me, but I sit in the shower and I am thinking, like, I can think, and then I'm like, Meeti, don't waste water, get up. So that's a lot. But I think when you're doing all these small things, stop it. Your brain also needs to relax. Every time to get worried, to be stressed. Yes, work is important, but self-time is very, very important too. And don't, when you're so stressed, a lot of things can happen. Stress leads to a lot of problems. Loss of appetite, you can't sleep, hair loss, acne, dark circles, all these problems lead to depression, anxiety. But I think, if you do a little chota cheeze which you love, like go to a parlor, pamper yourself, get a head massage, get a foot massage. You can go dancing somewhere, you can go out with your friends, watch a movie, go to an orphanage, go to a park, start reading books. I think you can do a lot. Just start singing. I also sing. I'm a bad singer, but I sing. I make sure कि मैं अपने आप को खुश रखूं. अगर कोई परेशान हो रहा है तो shut the door. That's it. But I think most importantly, you need to love yourself. Love yourself, take out time for yourself, do things for yourself. Choti khushiyan is really, really important. And I hope that you liked the things that I said, and I hope I could help someone out over here. But a lot of love to you guys. I know मैं बहुत चबर करती हूँ, but thank you for watching this pop live section on the CureFit app, and stay tuned for more such pop live talks. So bye, see you guys, take care.